morning everyone. Another day, another busy day. Oh my god, grabe. So I just dropped Cloud off to the vet kasi mag-groom na siya. Kasi sobrang taas talaga ng kanyang balahibo. So balik na ako sa bahay kasi marami pa akong gagawin. Iniwan ko lang yung ginagawa ko sa bahay. Tapos like, nag-text yung vet na, "Ma'am, open po ang grooming ngayon." Ganyan. So, yun, nag-diretso ako. My order was so fast. As in, like, I think they expected na pupunta ako, charot. As in, pag-order ko pa lang, "Here you go, ma'am." Huh? Ang bilis! So fast! So I am on my way sa isang place na kinikravan ko, guys. So there is this one particular place that I really like. I'm not a fan of takoyaki, pero I really love this takoyaki place. I'm actually contemplating, guys, if I should just wait till Cloud's ready na, if tapos na yung pag-groom niya. Kasi napag-groom kami kanina and then I just left her there. Kawawa naman. Just left her there and I'm actually contemplating if I should just wait for her or just magdiretso na ako bahay and mag-study. I'm not really sure what I should do kasi parang nakaka-hassle at saka sayang yung gas. Pabalik-balik ako ng Kidapawan. So, I'm actually thinking na mag-wait na lang siguro ako. Pero the problem is I didn't bring any of my study materials. So, that's the problem talaga ngayon. It's drizzling, guys. It's raining. I'm so sorry, tayo. Tabi-tabi po. Hey, tatay. Belated Happy Father's Day. I'm so sorry. Karon lang ko naka-visit si mama o si nanay o si mommy. Nagato sila US. Bye, tatay. Bye-bye. Diba? Hi! Hi, baby! Short lagi kaya yan. Love! What happened to you? Let me see your face. Uy, nang load yun? Look at you, you scratched me. Say hi. Hi. So, humot. I should ask them, no? Kung silang shampoo. Guys, happy Thursday. Yes, happy Thursday. So, I'm in the bank and I am on my way to City Hardware. I'm going to the City Hardware. I'm going to a hardware store. So, I need a man with me. Charot.
Kalkag kaya kong buhok.
Just woke up siya, oh. Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Parang Plants vs. Zombie ba?
Rawr. Hindi mo nasakto.
Ang ganda ba lightsaber?
Authorized personnel only.
O saan mo na running?
Han,
Dili.
Boy Scout?
Dili.
Mga kamakabayan?
Dili. Favorite na to na cartoon.
Han?
Gravity Falls. Mukha ko eh. Kata kaya kada ko at ako si Bad. Ako adil yung mga dara lang ka.
Ano mo?
Like ka. Ay, mas exotic ko ni Uang. No makeup. No makeup na kasi not feeling it talaga mag-makeup today. Hi guys, I just got out of the bank. I already went to 2 different banks already and I am on my way to go to my last bank of the day, and then we're going to go compra and then mag-go Amas. So another day, another busy day for me. Next up, warehouse. I am leaving the province. Charot. Alis na ako sa capital because I need to go to the bank. I am done sa bank. So, I am on my way to pick up Daniel. I am in my alma mater waiting for Daniel. I'm here in the parking lot. That used to be the place where we used to train. Dito yung training spot ng futsal eh. Pag ginawa siyang parking spot. It's so sad, you know. Ginawa siyang parking spot. So I'm waiting for him here. I really want to go inside though. Kasi I wanted to see. Pero I don't think that's, okay. Si Precious! Si Precious! Ano siya guys? Si Precious, kunin mo! I really wanted na matali ako matapos today, but it was not possible, dude. Time is so fast. I'm just stressed out. So, actually, guys, parang mainit yung body ko at saka sakit ng ulo ko. I feel like I'm gonna get sick. But I can't afford to get sick. I need to study pa. Ang dami pa kong kailangan gawin. Searching for Precious. I want food! I'm hungry!
Now I know how it feels like when you put up with me. Matagal lagi si Precious. Bawo mo talaga. Up here.
Good Monday, everyone. Happy Monday. Good morning. It's a rainy Monday today kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan kahapon and it's still raining up until this morning. So, I am currently at my second bank of the day and after this, I am free na jud because this week locked in na talaga ako sa pagsa-study. So, after this, I'm going home and yeah. I'm going home and I'm going to study. Sabi na.
Ay, wow. Sige daw.
Hi guys, good morning. So I actually felt like I need to change my bag. So I'm going back to this bag kasi wala lang, I feel like mas bagay siya sa fit ko today. Wearing some casual fits and I'm wearing some pants because I have to go to the Capitol. So yeah, I'm gonna transfer all of my stuff. So this bag is empty now. I'm gonna transfer it here. Anong brand na to? Bana. I don't know. Ano yung brand na Bana. Check pala. Girl, I really have to check. I forgot about it. I have to, withdraw.
Look at guys, look at what I did while waiting. Ang galing ko.
Hi guys, so I am waiting for someone here. I just want to share lang na it's already Tuesday, it's already June 24 and ilang days na lang exam na. And I feel like hindi pa rin enough yung sabihan ko. So I'm a bit emotional din kasi feeling ko parang this is just an exam. I know it's just an exam pero it says a lot about my journey mong din sa pagiging college student ko and nakakaya din. Parang mas na nangingibabaw pa sa akin yung hiya, yung embarrassment na I might fail this exam. So yun. I also want to applaud myself. I'm also very proud of myself kasi as you can see guys, I'm not wearing any makeup na. I don't wear makeup anymore whenever I go out because I used to wear makeup every freaking day. Every time I go out, I always wear makeup talaga. But now, I've learned not to care. Like, yes, my skin is not perfect. Yes, I have pimple marks. I have acne marks. Yes, I have eye bags. I have a lot of imperfections in my face and it doesn't mean that I am less prettier because of it. I am so happy na I've learned to embrace my face, embrace myself. Pero hindi pa rin ibig sabihin yan guys na hindi na ako mag-makeup ever. Pero mag-makeup pa rin ako, especially if sa school ako. I still want to look presentable in front of people, especially sa school. I'm still gonna wear makeup but in a day-to-day basis, for example, kasi dati kahit mag-laundry lang ako sa labas, I need to wear concealer, ganyan. Ganyan ako ka-insecure before, but now I've learned na I don't need to. So, I'm so happy and be proud of me guys. I'm so happy that I'm able to do this kasi dati hindi ko talaga kaya gawin na umalis ng bahay nang walang makeup. Okay. So I decided to have a YouTube channel. I think I need to do an outro. So it's Tuesday, since this is the last day of this week vlog. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. You don't need to like and subscribe. You don't need to comment, you guys. I appreciate you watching this even though you don't know me. Thank you so much for watching this. And I hope you have a great day. And yun lang talaga. Yun lang guys. Woo! Bye!
Where did the time go?